Your home or business is packed full of precious items that you've taken a lifetime to accumulate. So show a would-be intruder that you've taken steps to protect your valuable property. Security warning stickers are a proven deterrent against break-in and robbery. Display your stickers prominently around your home and send any would-be intruder running. Our high-quality red, white, and blue vinyl stickers will last a lifetime. Just peel and stick. The high-quality adhesive-backed labels will stick to glass, wood, even metal gates. So put a smile on your family's face. Provide protection now. Log on to securityalarminfo.com and order your stickers today.